Hi everyone, how are you? This is Sherry from Practical Stitches, and I'm just gonna pop in and show you that I have finished the Kwik Sew 3756. I told you about it last time. I made the t-shirt, but long sleeve. I'm wearing it right now. And I had said that I wasn't sure if I was gonna I really like how it turned out. I can't even remember what size I cut now. I should have looked. Anyway, fits perfectly. I wasn't sure if I was going to like this because this is not attached to anything. It's just serged, and the way that the neck attaches to here, which is a dart right here, and you just press it. And this side, I don't know where my hair is. There it is. Let's see right here. I'm gonna have to hand stitch that down, I think. I haven't really worn it right now, as long as I don't move. But other than that, really good pattern. Seemed to turn out the way that it said. It is a little different because you do the darts here. There's a facing across here, but then this is left unfinished, and there's a facing in the back that's folded over, which causes this to stay that way. It turned out on this side, maybe I just don't have it pressed properly on that side. Yeah, I pressed it crooked or in too far or something. I don't know. Anyway, I do like it. And I finished the sweater, which I plan to wear with it. So, try that on for you. The one with no sewing directions, which, by the way, could have been helpful. I was thinking it would look nice with this t-shirt. So this is the sweater. Not happy with the sleeves. I guess you can't see. The pockets are sewn into the seam right here. They have a band on the top, and I cut the stripes going the opposite way. I don't mind the drop shoulder. Sleeves are quite long. I think they would look better if they were a cuff, or if I just sewed them in a little bit. But definitely goes to your thigh. And there's just a band around here. It's just a plain cardigan. And it's very cozy. Oh, my dryer. Yeah, I think it's cozy. I like it. I'll wear it. I really like this fabric, but now that I've made it, I think it's kind of fuzzy. I think it looks like toweling. Oh my, this just doesn't please me. Anyway, this pattern was the one with no, it was free. It was this view down here. And I thought, well, how hard can it be to sew it together with no directions? The pockets were a little tricky because of the band, and you had to figure out all the notches are very marked clearly, everything matched up on the pattern, which was great. And I knew by the way the sleeves were cut that I didn't think I was gonna care for those. I am gonna make it again because I really like the length of it. And I just think that I'll put a cuff or I'll sew the sleeves in smaller. But I feel like I'm wearing a towel or a bathrobe. This fabric was very hard to sew. It's like it's bonded, and the needle kept picking this thread or the fabric on the bottom and would pull it. So I had changed my needle. But other than that, and sewing the band on, I just sewed it up, folded it in half and serged it and then top stitched it, which caused it to buckle a little bit, and I was thinking about sewing a black band on there, but I'm seeing if my t-shirt's laying flat. I don't know. Now that I'm wearing it, I think it does look like a bathrobe. I will wear it. It's cozy. It feels nice and warm. I may try another one. I just didn't want to buy another cardigan pattern when I already had one. And I do like it. Changing the cuffs is not a big deal. I just add cuff on there. And the hem, it called for 2-inch hem. I just put in a 1-inch hem. And I just finished, you can't see, band and then hemmed this part after. So it turned out. It's a little pulled there. It's together. That's how you learn how to do stuff. Just do it. The pockets are nice and deep, and I like how they're sewn into the side seam. So it is possible to do something without directions. I've done it before. And I do like it. Behind me is something I was going to make. It's a jacket. It's a Kwik Sew pattern, and I was going to do denim on the top and plaid on the bottom. I don't know where I get these ideas. I think it looks really nice together, but I think it would look better if I just did the jacket, completely different fabric, and made a shirt dress out of the plaid, is what I'm thinking. I've been wanting to make that for a while, and now I'm chickening out. I'm changing my mind. I'll get the pattern so you can see. So the picture is not very nice on the front, but I wanted to make view A, and might be, see, it's in 2 separate sections the way you sew it together, so I wanted to do the top in denim and the bottom in plaid. I just don't think I'd wear it. And I'm already doubting this. And I had my heart set on this fabric, and now I don't like it. I just think it looks like I will wear it. It looks nice with this t-shirt. See if see that's laying flat. I'm my own worst critic. Anyway, that's 2 new items. I'm still working on my pants. I think you can see them behind me there, just barely. They do fit. I think one of the legs turned a little bit, which is why I wanted to do muslin first before, because I'm making it from a shorts pattern. Anyway, I am sewing away, changing my mind as I go. So right now I am washing, actually that's why the dryer went off, because I am drying some fabric I want to try and make a dress out of, which will be an experiment because I haven't made a dress for a long time. Yes. So, and I filmed another video today, so that's coming up next week. Something completely different. And I think that's all I have to tell you about today. Is this finished cardigan? Let me know if you think it looks like a towel or a bathrobe. I don't know. I'll show you again. I don't know. It's definitely cozy. It's not really thick. Anyway, that's enough of my wishy-washy, I don't know, conversation, but we all make things and then we're not sure if we like them, I think. I don't know. See you again soon. Take care. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you like this video, and I will talk to you again soon. Okay, bye.